Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy formatting in Google Sheets, even when using the importrange formula. If you've ever tried to use importrange, you might have noticed that while it brings over your data, it totally ignores any colors, fonts, or formatting you've painstakingly set up in your original file. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know a super easy way to bring both your data and your formatting over using a helpful tool called SheetGo. Even if you've never used an add-on before, you'll see just how simple it is to get started, and you won't need any technical know-how. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have SheetGo installed as an add-on in Google Sheets. If you're not sure where to find it, just head up to the top menu in Google Sheets, click on Extensions, then Add-ons, and search for SheetGo. Once you've added it, you'll be good to go. SheetGo is like importrange's smarter cousin. It can link data between files, but unlike the standard formula, SheetGo actually gives you the power to keep that beautiful formatting you worked so hard on. Assuming you have SheetGo ready, let's get started. First thing, click on Extensions in your Google Sheets menu bar. You'll see SheetGo listed there. Click on it and then hit Start. This will open up the SheetGo interface right inside your spreadsheet. If this is your first time opening it, don't worry. It might take a few moments to load, but you only need to do this once. Once SheetGo is up, you'll see a clean, guided interface. Go ahead and choose the option that says Import Data from File. The reason we choose this is that we want to bring in information from another Google Sheet along with all its pretty formatting. Now you'll see a part that says Sheet File. Click that, and you'll be prompted to select which Google Sheet you want to copy from. Take a moment to browse your Google Drive and pick the file that contains the formatting and data you want to duplicate. After you pick the file, SheetGo might ask you to specify which particular sheet or range you want to import. This lets you target just the data you need. Double-check to make sure you've selected the correct sheet. Think of it like picking out the right book on a shelf. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Continue. SheetGo will walk you through a few quick settings. Here, you can typically check if you want to transfer all formatting, just values, or even set up a schedule for future syncs, so if your data changes, your formatting can automatically keep up. For now, let's keep things simple and just focus on copying it as it is. Last step, click Finish and Save. After a moment, SheetGo will do its magic, pulling in your data and yes, preserving that formatting you wanted. It may take a few seconds if it's a big file, but you'll see the results load into your sheet. And that's it, you've successfully copied both your data and your formatting using SheetGo. If any part of this process feels a little tricky, take your time with each step. Remember, you can always pause and rewind. And if you have questions or run into a snag, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical Google Sheets tips and workflow hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.